Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have a flip through of two new sticker books from Mojo Jojoplans that are releasing today. We have Scalloped jewel tone boxes and jewel tone journaling boxes. And I believe there's also mini versions. There's a mini jewel tone dashboard boxes and a mini jewel tone vertical boxes. So if you like mini stuff, definitely check those out on the site. And then there's a bundle deal. So if you want to buy the jewel tone boxes, jewel tone shapes, and jewel tone journaling boxes, that's bundled up. And you can get those for $48. These sold separately are $20 plus shipping. And there are some restocks, so definitely check out the site to get all that info and just see what they have available over there on Mojo Jojoplans. But I'm going to flip through these sticker books. If you're interested in purchasing any of them, I do have my affiliate link down in the description along with a code. The code only works if you buy the regular price books. I don't think that works on the bundles, but it'll work if you want to get one of these books. Definitely check out that code. But I'm going to flip through these so you can check them out. I'm excited for some new jewel tone boxes, especially for fall spreads, because I love these color schemes. And I love using some boxes. JoJo's books are always great to have on hand because, you know, you can use them in every spread, which is good. But look at these colors. We have the reds, this really pretty like pinkish purple color in all the boxes. And I think I will do a little DIY or a little show of how these look on the pages, just so you can see them out of the sticker pages from this book. But you get all the sizes here. You get some with lines and then blank ones. I like having options, so love that. Then we have oranges here. And then more of the smaller boxes, the lined boxes, no lines. Then green. Okay, it's really hard to tell, but there are two different kinds of greens on this page here. Green. Nice green boxes for some Christmas spreads. And then we have this nice like ivory color and this really pretty teal color. And then some blues. You got like a navy blue and then this really pretty like peacock kind of blue. And the lines. I really like these purples, the maroon color and then that purple color. Really nice. The lined ones. And then that's the last page. Okay, so yeah, a good variety of sizes, colors, and boxes, some with lines, most of them without lines, but yeah, a really nice book. So we have scallop boxes. You get 444 stickers in here, and this is a 30-page sticker book. Okay, and then next we have jewel tone journaling boxes. So if you want boxes that have lines on them for journaling, this is going to be the book that you want to grab, because this one has all the lines. And I like that the lines are this like really light gray color, so they're super subtle on there, which I like. All right, so first we have the pink and the orange with the lines. Nice long boxes. We have the yellow, gold color, and then green. Really nice long boxes. Green, some couple of different greens here for you to choose from. We have this fun like multicolored one. Okay, then a nice like neutral one, and then the blue, nice navy blue, which are kind of hard to find, I feel, this color. So I like that these are in here. Okay, we got blue and then a purple color. It's like a deep purple. Kind of maroony, but more purpley. Oh no, this one's more purple, sorry. This one's more like maroon, and then this one's more like eggplant purple. Then we got a nice pink. Okay. Let me get the fun colored ones. Okay, you got lots of the colorful ones. Those are fun. Okay, so that is the Jewel Tone journaling boxes. All right, so those are available, and there's a couple of other ones that are available that I don't have to flip through, but they are on the site. If you like mini stuff, definitely check those out. Okay, I'm gonna grab some paper just so we can play with these a little bit in some spreads. All right, so I guess I'll do vertical. Do vertical pages. Okay, because I want to show how the scallops look out of the page. All right, so let's grab, I always like to do a sidebar sticker. So let's grab a sidebar kind of sticker. I'll do, which color do I want to use? I really like these colors a lot. I'm like, which one would I use the least? And I feel like I'll use all these colors. So it's kind of hard decision here. I love these. These colors are really pretty. Maybe this ivory one. Okay, we'll do this one to test because I want to make sure I have a good amount for me to use also in future spreads. But look at the scallops. They're really pretty. Nice little scallop. So we'll put this on the sidebar. I always like to put these kind of stickers on the sidebar. There's the scallop. Okay, I probably should do a darker color just for the contrast. Let's do this pinkish color. Okay. So there's the vertical box. We'll put that over here. Nice little vertical box so you can see the pattern a little bit more on that one. Let's do this little red one. Cute little red scalloped box there. Okay, that's more or less the sizes, just so you could see the outline, because it does look a little different from in the book and then on the page. So I just wanted to show those. And then of course these are gonna fit nicely in this book. We'll just do a double box over here. And you could always mix them together. I always like to, whenever I use a scallop box, I like to mix them with just regular boxes when I put stickers over them. Layer stickers over them. So I always like to layer like a patterny kind of box or a fun shape over a regular box like that. Okay, so lots of good options, and these are going to be fun to use for Christmas spreads. These like fun scallop boxes will be fun. A new little twist on a spread, especially if you have like always doing boxes. It's fun to have these fun shaped ones to throw in every once in a while on a spread. Okay, so those are the books. Those are currently available right now. Again, if you're interested, check out my affiliate link, discount code. Those things are down in my description. But that is going to be it. I hope you enjoyed watching this flip through. Let me know if you plan on picking any of these up. Again, I love these colors. They're going to be perfect for your fall and some really nice holiday spreads. So let me know if you plan on getting any of these in this release. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.